Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing our very first of many Sephora hauls. Keep on watching. So before we get into this Sephora haul, can we get into these two Afro puffs? So first of all, I'm a fifth grade teacher and we are in our ABC countdown, which starts the last month of school. So today was D-Day, Decades Day. So we dressed as a decade, and let me know in the comment section what decade you think I'm dressed as. So back to this Sephora haul. I am so excited for this video. This is my very first Sephora haul. For those of you that don't know, I took a leap of faith and I applied for the Sephora squad for 2023. And I am patiently waiting for the announcement. So stay tuned for that. But let's get into this haul. So I did end up ordering online. So I got my package in and haven't even opened it yet. So we're gonna do it together. Let's get into it. So all of the products that I purchased are from the Sephora collection, with the exception of some fragrances. So let's get into it. So I did purchase one of the Sephora recommended, of course there's a train. So I did purchase one of the Sephora recommended miniature collections, and this is the Versace Bright Crystal and the Versace Pour Femme Dylan Turquoise. So this is the mini fragrance kit that I picked up. And then we add some Sephora collection products, which I'm super excited to try because I have not tried any of these Sephora collection products yet. So first up, we got the Sephora Cucumber Eye Mask. And I picked up two of these. Cannot wait to try these. If you are not new to my channel, then you already know that I am everything skincare, hair care. That's my zhush, my jeu, my thing. You know what I mean. So I love skincare, so I purchased these Cucumber Eye Masks. Cannot wait to try these, so stay tuned for this. I also got the Hydrating Vitamin E Mask with aloe vera. And I also purchased two of these. Stay tuned for a video using these as well. So I do have a little bit of concealer on, but as you can see, I do have some dark spots underneath my eyes. So that is something that I'm working on. So hopefully these masks can help me out with that. And then the third eye mask set that I purchased from the Sephora collection is the Glowing Vitamin Eye Mask with papaya. Can't wait to smell these. And again, I did purchase two of this one also. That's it for the eye mask. Next up, I purchased some hand masks. Have you ever tried a hand mask? If you have, let me know in the comment section below. I am all for a good hair mask. Use those all the time. I've done face masks. I've even done a foot mask this year, but a hand mask? Never tried it, but I'm definitely excited for it. So this is the Mango hand mask, and I did purchase two of these. And I also purchased the Cucumber hand mask. So I can't wait to try these out for you and let you know my thoughts, so stay tuned for that. Okay, next up in my Sephora haul, also some skincare products from the Sephora line. And these are the the charcoal nose strips. So I've never tried these nose strips before. I'm definitely excited to give them a try. So next up from my Sephora collection haul, I purchased 2 scalp scrubs. So if you're not aware, I am really focusing on protective styling this year. So scalp care is definitely important. So I purchased the cleansing scalp scrub from the Sephora collection. I cannot wait to try these. I'm actually gonna open this up so that we can take a look at it, but definitely stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a masking with Sephora series. But I'm so excited about this scalp scrub. Definitely can smell the apple cider vinegar. Cannot wait to get into this, so stay tuned. And last but not least, in my Sephora collection haul, I got the Size Up Volume Extra Large Mascara, and I got it in the color Ultra Black. This is what it looks like, also from the Sephora collection. So excited about this haul, you guys. Again, this is my very first Sephora haul, the first of many to come, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed getting into these goodies. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my new uploads. So I definitely will be trying out these products and giving you my honest review. Let me know in the comment section below if you saw some products you've tried before or some that you have also added to your wish list. Again, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.